How much is Donald Trump costing America's economy? 2026. How much is Donald Trump costing America's economy? The impact is larger than you think, affecting jobs, growth, and global standing right now. You need to know the real numbers and what's at stake. According to The Economist, Donald Trump's tenure and ongoing influence have resulted in an economic cost exceeding tens of billions of dollars each year. This includes lost GDP growth due to trade disruptions, diminished foreign investment, and increased market volatility. Companies like Apple and Tesla have reported supply chain complications tied to tariffs and trade uncertainty during and after his administration. The net effect is a drag on U.S. economic momentum, with some analysts estimating a reduction in annual growth rates by up to 0.5 percentage points. The sectors hardest hit by these economic costs are manufacturing and exports. Tariffs on steel, aluminum, and Chinese goods have increased costs for U.S. manufacturers, pushing some companies to cut jobs or relocate. Exporters have struggled with retaliatory tariffs that reduce demand abroad. The result has been wage stagnation and job insecurity for many American workers, especially in industrial states. Small businesses reliant on global supply chains also face higher costs, shrinking profit margins and limiting hiring. Trump administration's trade wars and political unpredictability have heightened market volatility. Investors react to sudden tariff announcements and geopolitical tensions, causing sharp stock market swings. This uncertainty raises borrowing costs for businesses and consumers, dampening investment and spending. Companies like Boeing and General Motors have cited this instability as a factor in delaying expansion plans. The ripple effect reduces economic dynamism and growth potential. Under Trump, America's image as a reliable economic partner has suffered. Allies and trading partners express concern over the U.S. unpredictable tariffs and withdrawal from agreements. This erosion of trust complicates future trade deals and reduces cooperation on global economic challenges. Such diplomatic strains can lead to less favorable terms for U.S. businesses and reduced influence in shaping international economic rules. Reversing these economic costs requires clear policy direction that rebuilds investor confidence and restores trade relationships. Economists suggest removing tariffs and re-engaging with global partners to boost exports and manufacturing. Stabilizing the political environment will help reduce market volatility and lower borrowing costs. Without such steps, the U.S. risks prolonged economic drag, affecting the job market and your financial security. What this means for you is clear. The economic impacts tied to Donald Trump's policies affect job opportunities, prices, and your investments. Staying informed helps you prepare and adapt. For the latest updates on this evolving story, subscribe to Daily Q&A and stay ahead of what's coming next.